Welcome back. Continue your organization setup in just a few simple steps. Return to the login page. Enter your registered email along with the password you received via email. Click Sign In to continue. After signing in, follow the setup wizard. Step 1. Upload your logo or click Skip, then click Next. Now enter your organization address. Select country and time zone. Choose data retention location. Enter your organization's data model name. Choose classification type and number of levels. Add your level names and write clear descriptions for each one. Then customize the colors to match your setup or brand style. Select from available free policy templates if needed. Then choose one framework from the list and you're all set.